Hi everyone and welcome back to HomeHeadChef. Today we'll be making pumpkin French toast sticks. These pumpkin French toast sticks are so easy to make and they come together in a few minutes. There's no reason not to try them. So let's step up to the cutting board and see what we need. For this recipe we are going to need 1 loaf of French bread or brioche, 4 large eggs, 2/3 cup of milk, half a cup of pumpkin puree, 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla, 2.5 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice, and 1/4 cup of sugar. We're going to start by whisking together our eggs and our milk until they're well combined. Now we're going to add in our pumpkin and whisk this till well combined. Now we're going to go in with half of our sugar. I'm just going to eyeball that. Our pumpkin pie spice and our vanilla. Now we're going to set this aside in the fridge. We're going to work on the rest. We're going to combine the rest of our sugar and our cinnamon and get this combined as well. We're going to toss the French toast sticks in this once they're done cooking. Next, we're going to cut our brioche bread into 1-inch strips. We're going to use a very sharp knife. Now if you want, you can take the crust off. I don't want to. And just like that. Alright, and that's what we're looking for with our sticks. It's about 1 inch wide. Now we're going to head over to the stove and start cooking these. We're going to start by preheating our skillet over medium-high heat. We're going to throw in about 1 tablespoon of butter and get this melted. Now that our pan is nice and hot, we're going to take our brioche sticks. We're going to dip it in our batter. Let it sit in there for a couple seconds. We're going to place these down inside our pan and we're going to cook them for about 1.5 minutes to 2 on each side. Now we're going to carefully flip these over. Got some nice color on them. We're going to give them about another 1.5 minutes to 2 minutes on each side. Now we're going to take our hot French toast sticks and we're going to throw them in our cinnamon sugar mixture. We're going to give this a toss until they're all evenly coated. Now there's several different ways you can plate this. I'm going to get playful with it. I'm going to make a French toast stick log cabin. And just stack them on top of each other. Just like this. You can pile them as high as you want. Now you can also top these with maple syrup. I find that they're great on their own. Now let's step out and get a taste. And now we're gonna get a taste. I have my special guest, my son Montre. Go ahead, bud, grab one. Tell everybody what you think.
It tastes good. I mean, try this at home, try to make it, okay? If it's good to you guys. Now that's turn.
Alright, it's light, it's fluffy from the brioche bread, the pumpkin flavor really shines through, the cinnamon sugar really complements the pumpkin flavor and it helps elevate it to another level. If you enjoyed this recipe, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Thank you for liking, commenting, and subscribing. If you're interested in the outdoors, you can check out my outdoor channel called the BackwoodzSquad. I'll drop a link in the description. Thanks for stopping in. We'll see you next time.